the heck? 31, 1024.
Yeah, 31.
Yeah, motorcycle. Arkansas 224 Henrietta, 224 Henry. I believe it's Henrietta or Henry Young. Step up. It's 274 Henry Young. 274 Henry Young. Goes back to Suzuki. I'm not sure what the color is. It's a white male rider with a red beanie, red black shoes, dark colored pants, brown jacket.
Careful.
1037. South D, coming up to Rogers. Speeds are 62. Oh, he's about to break out. Never mind, he's still going for it. Towson passing South D, still on South D, heading towards Rogers.
Head towards Rogers and South D.
Now he's getting on the Rogers. Traffic's medium right now.
Careful, down on Rogers, medium traffic.
Eastbound on Rogers now, passing, I believe, south of 23rd.
Careful, passing south 23rd.
Traffic's heavy right now. He's going to oncoming traffic. Coming up to Rogers and Greenwood. Rogers and Greenwood. Speeds are 78 right now. Passing Free Ferry. Speeds 97. Traffic's light right now. Still on Rogers. Continuing. This passes out 37. Traffic's light. Speed's 85 right now. Go ahead and notify H6 if you haven't.
I'm on here.
10-4. Speeds still 82. Traffic's light. South 46. Coming up to the mall.
Careful, coming up on the mall.
Still on Rogers.
Got me.
He just ran a red light. Clear left, clear right. And now, still passing Arvis Bank on Rogers, coming up to Waldron.
Careful, coming up on Rogers.
I think he's losing power. We're slowing down. Speeds are 60. He just ran a red light. Traffic's medium right now. We're coming up to 540.
Careful, coming up to 540.
Speeds are 75. You know if I'm Barling, if we're going into Barling. He's on the oncoming traffic right now. On Rogers, stand by. Clear left or right. Speeds are 80. Coming up to, I think it's Andy's, passing Andy's on Rogers. Speeds are 83. Traffic's medium now. Coming up to the picture part of Rogers. About to pass Mercy.
Careful, about to pass Mercy. Down Rogers.
I think he's stand by. I'm gonna try to push him over. Not bumping, but just getting boxed in.
4.
Speeds are about 67, passing south 79.
10-4, passing south 79.
Passing Massard, about to come up to Massard, stand by.
Yep.
It's in the oncoming traffic right now, passing Walmart.
10-4, passing Walmart. Hey, is this almost for them?
Get on your ground now! Get on the fucking ground now! I will fucking kill you! Put your hands behind your fucking back! I got him. You stupid motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker. You can't outrun the fucking Arkansas State Police, you understand that? Hey, look at this patch. What do you see? Say the fucking agency's name. The Arkansas State Police, motherfucker. Stand up. Stand up. Got anything on you? Are you good, Jamal? Yeah, you can. I'll do it. Okay. Should be the one, I think, this way, man. We put him on unit. Then my buddy spoke. Oh yeah. Stephen, what's your name? What's your name? Your mama. Good girl, mom. I'll take up the camera and then I'll put it back on. You good, Coach? Yeah, I'm good.